Hi, I'm Adam Griffith, and this is the 2018 Ford F-150 Waldoch. First off, this isn't a typical F-150. The truck has all the stuff a guy wants, and it's already done. This black bull bar with LED lights and blacked out grille gives this truck a very aggressive look. There's no trouble you can't get into or out of with this 3-inch leveling kit and Moto Metal wheels with 33-inch all-terrain tires. You can announce your presence on-road and off-road with the Waldoch 4-inch custom exhaust system. The interior has custom heated seats and a Raptor steering wheel with paddle shifters, making the inside just as flashy as the outside. To schedule a hassle-free test drive, stop by Eide Ford or visit us online at eideford.com. Eide Ford, time-saving, hassle-free, fair price.